Hey, what is up, Panda fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. So, as you can tell by the title, whatever I'm gonna title it, today we are finally putting together Stephani's new and improved upgraded body. I've had Stephani for a little bit over a year now, and she had the old DD3 frame, and I recently actually got the new F3 or F cubed frame, however that's pronounced. I actually got a new one for her sister's body, and dude, I completely fell in love with the frame. So I'm like, Stephani has to get an upgraded frame. So yeah, this is a long time coming. I've actually waited 2 weeks for her body parts to get in here because there was a mess up with my address, and then it got sent all the way back to Volks, and then it got sent all the way back to me. So yeah, it's just, I'm super excited to get this done. I actually kind of want to rush through the intro a little bit because there's actually some pieces that you need to warm up. The torso, as well as the knee openings at the bottom of the thigh. Yeah, I actually just pulled the torso out from the hair dryer. It's really hot to the touch, and it's really squishy. Like, it's never this squishy, and I hope I didn't warm it up too much. I'm not sure if that's possible to warm it up too much, but yeah, it's uncomfortably warm right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start with arguably maybe the most difficult thing, mainly because the uni torso actually only comes with the old DD3 frame. So far they haven't released a uni torso that has the new frame, so I'm just gonna be shoving this thing inside there, and you definitely need to warm it up beforehand if you're gonna do this. So yeah, let's just like jump right into it, just because I don't want this to cool down before I put the frame in. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Yeah, the new frame is awesome, and I guess before I like shove it in here, this is the back of the frame. This part right here is kind of like a tailbone, I guess, and then this part has a little notch for the crotch. Almost forgot to show that to you guys, but yeah, the new frame, really awesome. The posability will be limited in the uni torso, but I mean, that's the same case with the old frame as well. Posability was limited, and yeah, the hardest part is getting the shoulders past this extremely narrow waist. So I'm just gonna push. I'm gonna make sure it's lined up in there correctly. Yeah, this thing is really hot. It's actually kind of hard to push because this keeps meddling around. I'm also sitting on my knees, and yeah, it's starting to hurt because I'm an old lady. Yeah, if you decide to do this, definitely warm up the torso, and you're gonna have to push, man. Like, I remember pulling the torso or the shoulder piece out of this, and that in itself was a chore. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pull that part out. See if I can't just push it. Like, I know it's possible because obviously we got the first frame in here. Actually, I wonder if, yeah, unlike, I wish I could show you guys, but oh goodness. Yeah, unlike the old frame, this doesn't, the shoulder blades don't bend back, which is what I had to do in order to get it out. I mean, I don't know, I could unscrew this, but how on earth do I screw it back in? Especially if it's in the frame. Yeah. I don't know, it's probably like really boring to get the video started with something that's hard as hell that I could barely get in here, but yeah, I just wanted to get this part done, because I knew this part was gonna be difficult. So yeah, if I struggle for too long, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up.
Hours later.
Oh my god, I'm back. Holy crap, that was so hard. Oh my god, it's in there. Okay, so I could not sit here and record that just because, oh my gosh, like you had to do, that is not for the faint of heart. I'm gonna let you know right now. Shoving that in there takes a lot of time. I broke a sweat, which honestly isn't even that difficult for me to do because one, it's like 95 degrees out here and I have my AC off because it's loud. But oh my gosh, like that was hard. So I ended up having to put it back into its the little heat bath I have going on with my hair dryer, just because the vinyl was still pretty pliable, but I felt like it needed to be more pliable. Like when I originally started the video, when it was too hot to touch. Right now I'm just reconnecting the upper and the lower frame. There we go. Bam. Oh my gosh. It's in there, you guys. Holy crap. That was really hard. Okay, now time to do the next hard part, which is the thighs. Like, people notoriously have an issue with, oh wait, no, actually, I can't do the thighs yet. I gotta warm them up. Anyway, as I was saying, people do have an issue with the thighs because the way it connects is completely different now. You have like this little bar in here with these little connectors. After I warm these up and get the shins assembled, we're gonna go ahead and do the thighs. Sorry, jumping the gun a little bit there. Alright, I'm back. The thigh pieces are all nice and warmed up. I've gone ahead and pushed the inner frame out so you can expose the little notches right here. Pretty sure that's as far as you're supposed to pull them out. Yeah, gotta stick your finger in there and like push it, and this needs to be warm, and this is a pretty thick piece of vinyl, so you're gonna have to warm it up for kind of a long time. So the frame is covering it, but I'm not sure if you could see, but this is the right piece. So her left is my right. Wait, bam, yeah, aha. Almost put these on wrong. Whoops. Yeah, these are a little bit different than the DDII thighs that I have for her sister. There's only one notch. Normally on probably the DD and the DDII, because they're both a full 60 centimeters, there's gonna be 2 notches, but this is a DDS, so it's just 1 notch. And yeah, you're gonna wanna hold the frame down while you push. And then bam. And then you may not have warmed that up enough. Oh no, I did. Perfect. Bam. Right leg complete. I also already went ahead and put the foot frame in because that's easy. You just shove it in there. Although I do have an issue. This is gapping a little bit too much than it's supposed to, I think, but it literally won't go in any further. So I don't know what's up with that. Next. This one's a little bit harder because it doesn't have the stick inside, so just kind of put your finger in there and try to brace it. I should also say that the vinyl for the F3 is a lot nicer, it's a lot softer, it's more matte than the vinyl that I had for Stephani's old frame. It may have something to do because she was, I think, 2 years old, a year or two old by the time I got her old body. So that might have something to do with it, but yeah. Whoops, what did I do? Uh-oh. Darn it, look at that. I managed to not get that. Hold on. Man. Get it. Okay. Pull that back out. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Whoops. I pulled that a little bit too far out. Oh. Okay. There we go. Twist that back towards the front. Yeah, careful not to twist too much. Only reason why I'm struggling so much is because it cooled down. All right, look at that. Left leg assembled. So I'm gonna actually pull this out. Stick that in here so I can pull it. Whoops. All right, there you go. So here comes the second hardest part, which is assembling the thighs. So as you can see, you have that little notch right there and then empty space. You're supposed to fill the, or I guess match that notch up with, see how that part's missing the notch and this part has it? You gotta get those matched perfectly in order for it to go in properly. And they have to be the same on both legs. Same orientation. That makes it a lot easier. I don't think it matters which side the peg is in, but I normally put it in the right leg, just 'cause that's what it says in the instructions. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on that leg. And then stick that through like that. Make sure you can see the alignment. Bam. Okay. And I'm gonna attach these. So yeah, not sure if you can quite see that, but yeah, there it is. Kind of gotta push it in and then brace it with the sides like this. Hold on. Make sure the crotch is in there correctly. It's kind of hanging out. Okay. Uh-oh. It's not going in. I don't think it's lined up properly. You can kind of like feel when it's lined up properly because it has like this really soft click. Can't really show it to you though, of course, because it's all about the feeling. I don't know, I think. It feels like it's in. You can normally test it by moving the leg around to see if it pops out. It's not popping out. Let's try with this one. Nope. Wow, okay. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you can see the vinyl difference, but the torso is noticeably shinier than the thighs. All right. Break. Gotta sit down. My back hurts. Oh, so yeah, that was pretty much like the hardest part. The shoving the shoulders into the torso and putting the thighs on. It's pretty much smooth sailing after this point. As you can see, the shoulder holes aren't exactly holes. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, they're kind of flat on the sides. Definitely makes for putting the arms in and out a little bit more difficult, but it's kind of a good thing. They don't pop out as easily. You don't have to reset them all the time. Oh. Bam, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. And you can also tell which arm is the left and which arm is the right, based on, I guess, like the elbow flap. It needs to be on the outside. So when the arm elbow bends, it bends in that way. Bam. Oh my gosh. Yes. It looks so good. Woo! Alright everyone, we've made it to the final step in this assembly process, and that's putting Stephani's beautiful head back onto her beautiful body. She definitely looks a lot different since the last time you've seen her, and that's just due to me, getting her a new wig earlier this year. It's from the same place I got her first wig, Penguin Workshop. I'll go ahead and link to their Etsy store down below. I really like this wig. The darker color doesn't really wash her out as much as her first one, and it really just brings out the purple in her eyes, I think. And the longer style with, the extended bangs on the side just owes to make her look a little bit more mature. It fits her body type a little bit better, I think. And yeah, as you can see here, I'm just, using some water and a wide tooth comb just to tame her flyaways and just get some of the knots out of her hair. Just, styling the wig. Honestly, water is probably like one of the best things that you can use to do this. And I'll also go ahead and link to the Etsy store where I got her clothes from. I definitely like this outfit. It was definitely more of the more dramatic and flirty, feminine kind of outfit as compared to some of the other ones that you saw earlier on in the video. All of which she will be wearing, mind you. But yeah, I actually like that I got this outfit for the video. It's definitely speaks to Stephani, and of course the skirt is pink, which is Stephani's favorite color. But yeah, we've made it to the final part of the video. Thank you guys for sticking through this. My phone barely stuck through this. It starts overheating and wigging out while I'm trying to take footage. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.